Hello students, in this video I would like to show you how to use Geogebra to help you in your formative task on criteria C and D, daylight hours modeling. So you have been given some data of Munich daylight length. On the left hand side is the raw data table, and when you collect the data you have the date and the daylight length in hours and minutes. So on the right hand side, then we have converted the data, and the left hand side column shows you the days starting from 1st of January, which is the first time we have recorded the data, and here is the daylight length in hours. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy this data into Geogebra, and to do that I'll first Google Geogebra online, and I'm going to choose the classic program. And this is the first time when you open the screen, the program, this is how it looks like. So I'm going to get rid of this keyboard here at the moment because I don't really need it yet. This is the basic feature of Geogebra. If you want to move around the screen, you can do so by clicking on the touchpad of your laptop. You can just click with one finger, and with another finger you just move this screen around, okay, this axis around. So what can we do? Here, if you press this button, you can actually choose if you want to see the axis or not, or you also can choose whether you want the grid or not. But at the moment I would like to have the grid, so I'll just leave it on. So if you click this one here, this menu on the top right part here, you can choose view and spreadsheet. So I will have this spreadsheet here. For some reason, when I click here, the algebra part, then the other side on the left hand side will disappear. I don't need it at the moment, so I'm just going to just leave it this way. So this spreadsheet, I can just move a little bit to the right, so I have more space for my graph. And to change the scale of this X and Y axis, what I can do is when I bring my cursor nearer to the axis, there is this little hand here. So if you press Shift in your computer, in your laptop, it will change into this little arrow. And then with your one finger you can press on your touchpad and just bring this scale or change the scale on the axis. So for instance, something like this, I'm just going to do it this way. So I'll go back to the data. I'm going to check what the scales should be and what the minimum and maximum should be for my X and Y axis. So if we take this left hand side column as days as X axis, then we see, okay, we have to go up to 300 plus, and the daylight length maximum, there is no negative number here, but maximum will have about 16. So that should be fine on the Y axis, but the X axis here, I'm going to press Shift, and when it changes to the little arrow, I can press with my finger the touchpad on the computer to actually change the scale on the X-axis. So all right, now we are ready to copy the data. So I'm going to just copy it from the data table here on the Microsoft Word document, Command C, and when I go to Geogebra again, I'll leave the first row for title, maybe days and daylight length or something. So you can always adjust the column width if you like. And I'm just going to go to this cell and do Command V for pasting the data that we have copied. All right, so once the data is there, I would like to be able to plot it. So what I will do, we are just going to copy it one more time here on the spreadsheet on Geogebra. And once you have highlighted these two columns, title can be excluded, then you can go to this button here and choose list of points, and you can just click create. There. Seems like I need to press once here on the screen to be able to plot the data points, but this is a result. So you can try that and just play around a little bit with GeoGebra. Don't forget, for your report, you might need to take a screenshot of this graph here, or the plot of the points which you have plotted. So that's it. Try it then. Good luck.